In this video, I'm reviewing week 2 of the One Funnel Away 2.0 challenge, where I'll be taking you behind the scenes and walking you day by day through exactly what's in the challenge, and of course, giving my thoughts and opinions, allowing you to make a greater purchasing decision when you invest in the One Funnel Away challenge. If you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to tell you my favorite part about week number 2, the most beneficial things about going through week 2 of the One Funnel Away challenge. Guys, if you don't know me, my name is Frank. This is the Digital Boss Life, and what I do is help you flex your money-making muscles with affiliate marketing. First thing I want you to do is, if you find this information useful, head down below and subscribe to this channel so you can get more content and videos like this. And if you find yourself interested in partaking in the One Funnel Away challenge, I will leave a link down below where you can check it out. Let's talk challenge, all right? And if you guys been following along, you know we've moved through week number 1, and just a couple quick thoughts again about what goes on inside the face group, right? Most of the challenge is operated inside the One Funnel Away. September 6th specifically, this group of individuals, so 580 members in this group. And one thing about it is it's just much cleaner than the previous version, where if you go into the discussion section, you would find that there'd be all types of posts in here from all of the 580 members, but they really cleaned that up, whereas they have all of the posting and the questions going on in each individual thread, right? So there's not thousands of posts by members. Most of the posts that you see, or all of the posts, I'm sorry, that you see in the conversation is by the people who run the challenge, right? The people who run the challenge, and not just all the random individuals. So it's a lot cleaner, right? They clean this up, and then as you go through this, I'm sorry, what am I looking for here? The guides is where you're going to find your day-to-day action, so the day-to-day missions that you can follow along with. So you see we have all of week 1 stuff right here, okay? All of it in the guide section, where you can go back and watch Russell's trainings and get the one pagers. I'll explain that in a second if you haven't seen what that is. You got day 6 and 7, the weekend. The weekend is typically kind of like a, hey, we're going to catch up on the first 5 days. Lots of homework, lots of stuff to do, right? And then now we're in week 2, and again, you see all this stuff organized here. I'm a little bit behind here, but you see they have mission control, where they're, you can go on these calls, these Q&As, and get help with what you might be behind on. They have a whole tech thread, right? They have the implementation calls with the coaches, daily calls with the coaches. So as you go through the training, you can communicate with the coaches in the Facebook group, on the Facebook calls. They have 3 different coaches that they rotate through, right? So every day you can communicate with a coach. Lots of things here, lots of resources to help you out. But let's go back to week number 2 and just kind of walk you through this. So what happens is, let me just click on this right here and let that load up. You will get, as you go through the weeks, you'll start with a training from Russell, where Russell gives the overview of exactly what you're going to do, and kind of the reason behind how he discovered what it is that he's having you do on this particular day. So he does a whole training here. There's a whole, 50, 60-minute training. It's a little 10-minute gap at the beginning, but he gets into the training, right? And then he gives you what's called a one-pager, right? And if you were following along in the last week, the one-pagers are very cool, because now he organizes, now in a shorter form, he takes step by step what he explained in the overview video from the Facebook page, and now puts it into a one-pager. And with this one-pager, you can download this to your own account, your own free account, and now you can literally go back step by step through all of what you need to do. Like, literally, it's all step by step. You could fill this stuff out on the one pager, and you could save the one pagers, right? You have essential tools over here. Jim Edwards comes on usually on every one pager. He's got extra trainings, right? But you can literally, step by step, they're walking you through these trainings. One more thing about this challenge: previously in the past, they would kind of boot you out of this Facebook group, but now you get to keep the Facebook group. So you're going to have all of this information, all of everyone's questions, all of the coaches' communication, all of the one pagers. You get to keep all this stuff, right? So you have access to the Facebook group. I believe for a lifetime, right? They used to shut it down, but now they don't shut it down. You keep the access to this Facebook group. So all this organized information, step by step, you can go back to this stuff later, which is the great part about this challenge. It's a lot of information, but it's a ton of value. And again, you can just go back to these things in the Facebook group and your one pager. Let's go to day number 8, which is the first day of the second week, the who, what, why, how script. And that's basically a shortened version of how you make a short sales video. A 3 to 5 minute sales video is what they recommend, because you're going to place that sales video onto a sales page, right? And then the next day they build a sales page, right? But that sales video, this is Russell's format for how you just give a quick sales video. Right? I keep saying sales video, but who, what, why, and how, right? You tell them who's it for, what do you have, why do you have it, and how are they going to get it, right? Very quickly in a 3 to 5 minute video. That's your sales video, right? And that's how you break down how to easily do this. And again, with the one pager, you can go through it step by step, right? And then Jim's got an extra training here. Let's go to day 9, creating the sales page. So here's the cool part about day number 9 with the sales page. They literally give you the funnel. They actually hand you the whole funnel. And again, you can download this funnel multiple times, right? So you can create multiple funnels. You can download one funnel. But in here, Russell, walks you through putting together a sales page and all the elements of it, right? And also lets you know that you don't have to have all the elements, where you can eliminate elements that may not work for you or your business, or you may not be able to get all that in, and you don't need all of it. You can eliminate some things. And they give you an entire funnel. They hand you the funnel. So all you have to do is fill in the pieces to the funnel, okay? Fill in the text, change some colors, fill in the images, right? They literally step you through this process of building the funnel that you're supposed to build in the One Funnel Away challenge. In the past, you had to build it yourself. Now they give you the funnel and you just fill in the pieces. And then you have extra trainings, again, from Jim Edwards to fill in the copy, which goes on the sales page. But they literally walk you through every step of building a sales page. Very cool stuff. They give you the funnel, you just fill it in, right? Day number 10, your order form bump. This is where they show you how you sell your product on the first page, and then you add an order form bump. And Russell even goes into a story how one marketer even decided the order form bump is so it works, right? It works, and it works so well that a marketer even put on the order form bump, which goes on the initial sales page, to make extra money, right? To make extra money. Once people get in the process of buying, they're typically going to continue. Once that momentum starts, they're going to continue. So if you place an order form bump there, and this one marketer literally put an order form bump where they said they were selling nothing, and they sold, I think it was like 3%, or it was 3% of people took them up on this offer, right? It might have been more than that. I got to go back to the training. But people bought the offer when they sold nothing. So that's how valuable an order form bump is to creating more money in your sales funnel. Again, once people go into the process of buying, the momentum continues, and that's why you create a funnel with multiple pages, because once they pull out that credit card, they're in motion, they're going to continue in motion. So day number 10 talks about the order form bump, right? Day 11, now you build out your members area, right? Which is built out in the funnel that they hand you. Literally hand you the funnel, and now you start to build out your product, right? So you start to fill in the product that you've created that you're selling in the funnel, which is attached to your funnel. So you don't have to go create these things yourself. They built you a members area, and you just go and input the videos and the information, the PDFs, whatever it is you have for people, into the members area. Day number 11, I'm going to walk you through that, right? Step by step. Again, you have access to this, and you have access to this for a lifetime because you're inputting it into your own one-pager account. Russell loves these things, and it's a great way for you as a marketer, for you as a coach, for you as someone who's trying to give value to people, to actually get them to take action on the things that you're trying to teach them, which is a big part on being a good marketer and salesperson online. Is you got to get people results. And this one pager is the way that Russell goes about doing it. And one thing I'll say, if Russell's doing it, you can just copy this, right? So you can add extra value to the products and services that you're giving away by simply getting people to step through what you are trying to get them to accomplish, right? Business is about getting people results, and the one pager helps you do that. So you have access to this for a lifetime in your own account, right? Really cool stuff. Let's go to day 12. The one-time offer. Okay, offer number one: do it with you over your shoulder. So Russell's format is to sell a very shortened version of your framework of the problem you're trying to solve, right? So that's the initial offer is a $7 offer, and then the one-time offer is going to be a longer version of that, or like a course version, right? So I believe the framework goes, you sell kind of like a 10-minute video. That's the very shortened version. Then you might go into an hour-long presentation, might be your one-time offer, over the shoulder. Watch me do it. Oh, okay, this is a course. I'm sorry, this is a course, and that's where you start to put things together in your membership course, right? But once people are in the motion, okay, once they've bought the first product, okay, your $7 offer, quote unquote, that's adjustable. That's always adjustable. Once they're in motion of purchasing and they go through the order form bump, right? If they want more education, that's where you offer it to them. Okay, and this is with your done with you course, or your over the shoulder, and they walk you through that. Okay, and everything is step by step here. They show you everything that you need to implement, everything you need to put, and walk you through it step by step, literally by the hand. This one funnel away challenges. And then now we're on the weekends, right? Did I skip one here? Sorry, we got the members there. We got all this stuff. All right. And then we come to the weekend, and the weekend, they always sum up what, all the stuff that you did in the week and give you more time to catch up on the things that were behind you, right? Things that you're behind on. And then Steve Largent comes on the weekend and gives a motivational talk that's usually pretty awesome. In the previous version of the One Funnel Away challenge, you'd hear from Steve every day, but now he comes on the weekend, does his motivational thing, help you get pumped up so that you can continue to work your way through this challenge. Because again, it is a lot of stuff. It is a lot of homework. Framework scripts decoded. More training from Jim. So you see every day you get training from Jim, the copywriting expert, right? And that's week number 2. That's the stuff you will learn and implement in week number 2. Let me give you my favorite part of week number 2. Once again, Jim Edwards, funnel scripts, and this is the training you see in how to build a sales page, right? They give you the funnel, and then you get the trainings with Jim on how to do your sales page. There's a lot of elements to a sales page. Back in the day, I was in a 50 grand mastermind where we were learning basically how to create sales pages and put products on Bank, right? So we were writing sales pages, and the directions were kind of like, well, go look at some sales pages and copy what they do and model what they do. We got some information, some bullet points on how a sales page should go, but it's pretty much go look at sales pages and put it together, figure it out yourself. ClickFunnels is literally walking you step by step through each area of the sales page, and then they're doing it, right? ClickFunnels is doing it here, walking you step by step through it, right? All of these pieces on the left side here. And then Jim literally walks you through every aspect of the sales page, of the sales letter, and how to put it together and get you resources with funnel scripts. So with the OFA challenge, you get free access to these funnel scripts right here, which this alone could change your business, right? It's not access to the full thing. But this alone could be changing your business, rearranging how you do things. Plenty of options and things to literally you fill in your avatar, and these scripts give you headlines. They give you titles. They give you ad script, email copy. Like this alone could change your business. And Jim is literally walking you through step by step how you use funnel scripts to fill in every single piece of a sales letter, video by video, script by script, step by step through a sales letter, which again, I've written a few and it's a complex thing to do. It's not necessarily simple, but they've broken it down into a simple, digestible format that you can literally step by step and go through this. All right, so that's definitely the best part about week 2 is what Jim is doing here. Overall, the One Funnel Away challenge, if you're trying to build a funnel, it's amazing. I will be transparent with you guys. I'm not building a funnel right now. I came into this challenge. I think you can do it. You can come into this challenge for a couple of reasons. There's a lot of information. It's a lot to take in. You can come in and build a funnel. If you're looking to build a funnel in 30 days, the One Funnel Away challenge is going to make it happen for you. If you want to come in and prove different elements of your marketing and your business, the One Funnel Away challenge will make it happen for you. And that's why I came into the challenge. I wanted to do research for you guys and take you step by step through the 2.0 version because I've been through the 1.0 version. And I wanted to go through these little elements and improve my marketing and improve my business in incrementally in ways that I thought would help me, right? And that's why I'm in the challenge right now. Maybe in the future I'll come back to the challenge when I have more time. I'm a little strapped for time right now, so that's why I'm not building a product, but I am going through the challenge and seeing all the elements and all the cool stuff that they're doing and picking and choosing the pieces that really work for me. So again, two reasons that you would do this challenge. One is to create a funnel. Two is to just improve your marketing and your business because everything in here is gold, is awesome. So that's it, guys. That's my review of week 2. I'll be back soon with my review of week number 3. If you find yourself interested in the One Funnel Away challenge, want to get started today, I will leave a link down below. And if you found value in this video, please head down below, subscribe, like, leave a comment, tell me what you found valuable. Tell me, maybe you would have liked to seen something else. Guys, my name is Frank. This is the Digital Boss Life, and I look forward to catching up with you on the next video.